Hello and good morning, my name's Gareth, aka the Irish Pixel on social media, and I want to share this morning's sunrise with you. So today the forecast was originally a bit overcast and it wasn't looking so good, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to get up at 4:20 anyway, and I did, and I'm so glad I just persevered and got up. What I've got is drone footage, I've got some drone photography, I've also captured the ambient sound with a really old pocket recorder that I had, and I'm going to combine all those together so that regardless of where you are, you can immerse yourself in the sunrise from this morning. I might make this video just a little bit longer than I normally do because I think I'm going to reflect back on it as something that I can access easily regardless of where I am, and I don't know, maybe you can do the same as well. If you enjoy it and you want to jump back into it, you can. So stick some headphones on, take some time out, try and immerse yourself and just listen to the sound of nature and soak up how the sunrise looked this morning, and I will catch you later. Have a good day.